Hello, my name's Jeff, and I am an asteroid. I belong in outer space. And you may be wondering how I got here, so let me tell you a little bit about me and my history. Let's take a trip through the universe. Asteroids are leftover rocky space debris from the early formation of our solar system around 4.6 billion years ago. When dust particles in the early solar system collided, they formed larger clumps known as planetesimals. These could grow by attracting more dust with their gravitational fields. Some grew large enough to form planets. Others remained, becoming the asteroids. Some of these asteroids collided with each other and the early planets, which fragmented into smaller asteroids. Us asteroids are jagged and irregular shaped with craters and pits, and we are completely covered in dust. As you can see, we are composed of different kinds of minerals and rocks. Some have clays or metals such as nickel and iron. Asteroids are much smaller than the planets, the largest being about 974 kilometers, others as small as less than 10 meters. Most asteroids can be found orbiting the Sun in the asteroid belt and between Mars and Jupiter. Let me tell you a little bit about our history. Long ago, in 1801, Giuseppe Piazzi accidentally discovered the first and largest asteroid, Ceres, orbiting between Mars and Jupiter. Over the first half of the 19th century, several asteroids were discovered and classified as planets, even though that's not what we are. But it wasn't until the second half of the 19th century that individual asteroids were classified by their characteristic spectra. The majority of asteroids fall into three main categories. The first being the C-type asteroid or chondrite asteroids. These are the most common, likely consisting of clay and silicate rocks, and are extremely dark in appearance. C-type asteroids are among the most ancient objects in the universe. These orbit furthest away from the Sun. Next, we have the S-types, or the stony asteroids, which are made up of silicate materials and nickel iron. These are relatively bright in appearance, mostly located in the inner area of the asteroid belt. Next, we have the M-types, which are the metallic asteroids. These asteroids' compositional differences are related to how far from the sun they are formed. Some experience high temperatures after they are formed and partly melted, with iron sinking to the center and forcing volcanic lava to the surface. These asteroids are very bright in appearance. Now, I want to tell you some very exciting things about asteroids. To begin, the current known asteroid count is 997,841. That's almost 1 million asteroids to count. I'll have you know, the total mass of all asteroids combined is actually less than the Earth's moon. We have more than 150 asteroids that are known to have small companion moons. Some even have 2. Also, there are asteroids that are binary or double asteroids, in which 2 rocky bodies of roughly equal size orbit each other, as well as triple asteroid systems. So, I hope you learned a lot about asteroids today and our trip through the universe. It was nice meeting you all. I'll see you in the next lifetime. Peace out. My name, Jeff. The asteroid.